We're ready to try our new pattern here. Now we're going to be trying our VCV pattern, which will lead to us having both open and closed syllables. Now you've already done the multisensory introduction where your students were moving the letter tiles and also cutting the word on note cards. So what we're doing here is just transferring it to pencil and paper. My steps stay the same. The difference is going to be where I divide the word and how I label my syllables. Let's do the first one together. Find and underline your first two vowels, label them with a V. Draw a bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. I only have one consonant here, so my pattern is VCV. The way that we're practicing right now is the first way. This is the way that we are always going to try first, and that first way is going to be to divide it after the first vowel. Now I can go ahead and label my syllables. What type of syllable is the first syllable? This syllable is going to be open because in that syllable there is no consonant after the vowel. This is why it's very important to label the type of syllable. When I read this syllable, I'm going to read it with a long vowel sound because it is an open syllable. Let's look at our second syllable. What type of syllable is this? This is closed. There is a consonant after the vowel. It's important that this is closed. Now when I read, I know I'm going to have to read with a short vowel sound. So remember, these labels are letting me know how the vowel will sound. Let's read the first syllable. Hue. Second syllable, mid. Put it together, humid. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do the second one together as well. We'll find and underline our first two vowels, label them with a V. Draw a bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. Here we have another VCV pattern. We are always going to try dividing the first way first, so I'm going to draw my line after the first vowel. What type of syllable is my first syllable? Open. What type of syllable is my second syllable? Closed. Remember, because this is open, I'm going to read a long vowel sound. Because this is closed, I'm going to read a short vowel sound. So let's read the first syllable. Po. Second syllable, tent. Potent. Great. Do number 3 while I verbally talk you through it. Find and underline your first two vowels, label them with a V. Draw a bridge. Label the consonant on the bridge. Look at what pattern you have. Divide it according to the pattern, so we're going to divide it the first way. What type of syllable is your first syllable? What type is the second? Great, those labels tell you how the vowel sounds. Read the first syllable, read the second syllable, and finally, read the word. Great, you have 3 more words to do here. Pause the video, and when you're done with those 3 words, come back to see the answers.